Yes, guys. The mistake is I made like paramum. Actually, it is params. Params. Okay. So attribute name is params. Then you'll get the answer. So I will once again restart my server and I will pass books list I am getting slash 101. So 101 first 101 ID is you are getting the data. 102 I can get the data. Similarly in Postman also if you can able to get by click on sending request, you will get only the 101 details. If you want, you can go for 102. Click on send, you will get the 102 student details. Yeah. For example, I would like to post once again. Click on post. The API is a books list, and I would like to select the raw data. In that, I would like to go for insertion of JSON format. The number is 535. Easy, easy. Let me send the data. That data is added to the corresponding list. Now I would like to check for get. I would like to view all the books, then I will get the 535. If I want to have specific ID number, 535, you get specific ID number. If I add 536, we'll get as book not found. Okay, guys, this is the way we can able to do that. So post method, get method, the specific URI, and encoding of this params list, all these things. Yes. Similarly, if you want to perform delete operation, you can able to do that. So deleting of particular details, like for example, uh, I would like to use the history method called delete method, delete of. So I'm going to take the same URL, books list slash colon ID. I'm going to have self-calling function, just comma response. Yes. So I would like to analyze the parameter, right? So for the constant ID equal to I taken it all like request dot param someone, not the param. We wasted so much time here. Params dot ID. Now what we can do is guys, you know the main method of filter method, right? So while explaining array, I have taken the filter method. So books equal to it is going to return the object books dot filter of calling function if book dot id not equal to id. What I'm going to simply return book. Let me take this parenthesis, yes, return book. Otherwise return false. So after completion of everything, so I will make this as semicolon. I would like to send the response as book not found. If it is, if the book is there, I will go for book is deleted. I'm going to restart the server. Control C. Out space or FAF. Server started the port number. Yes, I can able to check only through the postman number. Here you have option called delete. Books list of, for example, I am having the book list as 131. Before that, I have get what are the values are there? 101, 102 is there. Now I would like to delete 101. Let me take 101. Click on send. It's deleted. Now if you want, you can check the book whether it is there or not. Click on send. Only 102 is there. So this way you can able to delete through this API. This API. Okay, now actually this thing we can able to do with the help of forms concept also, but instead of developing writing the code again and again multiple times, I have used the tool called Postman tool. Postman tool. So this Postman tool is generally meant for testing purpose. So like this, you can able to use the RESTful API. So we are going to create an API, and through this Postman tool, we can check whether this API is perfectly working or not. Okay, na guys? Yes. Fine. Or for example, Let me take one more example. For example, I will take the copy, I will say control this. Uh, RESTful API, second one, dot JS. Dot JS. So what I need to do, guys, I would like to have all these things common because I need to work with all the things. So I need to import the Express. I need to initiate the app, and I have the port number 4231. And I would like to convert a given data into the corresponding JSON format. I have to use this middleware. And also, in order to meant for the URL encoding, I have to use this method. Okay, first let me try for the basic thing whether it is working or not, then I will go for the remaining part. Like second RESTful API example, like the example. So I would like to have the listen port number, right? Port number, yes. RFAS. I'm going to exit from this one. Mode space RFAS. I was starting with the port number. What is the URL? Pressing second RESTful API. Yes, it is perfectly fine. Now I will directly write ma. So what I'm going to do is uh, so I don't want the yeah, okay, fine, no problem. I will take one array. That array is like student array. Let me take the students. Let me take the students array, a collection of objects. It will be in the form of objects. For example, ID is S170535. 170535, and name is Krishna. If you want, like for example, I would like to take the campus also. Campus is Srikakulam. I'm trying to copy for multiple students. I think I have taken four campuses. This is RKV. This is RK. This is Koti. Mm, this is Ongol. Let me take Ongol. The names. Name is, let me take the package. I don't want to take the specific names. Yeah. This is O. This is N, and this name is Nojvid. Campus is Nojvid. So what I did, guys, I have taken I have taken an array of objects. So now my requirement is I have to create an API. Through that API, I need to access the data. Through that API, I need to access data. For example, I would like to access the student list. Then I have dot through get method. Through get method, then I can go for like student SPU list. Let me take student list. Then I have a self-calling function request comma response comma response. Then what I will do, I'm going to respond in form of JSON format. Response.json of what's the name of the thing? Students. Let me check that. So default is working. And the name is view list. View list. Yes, guys, your data is getting or not? Yes, my data is getting. Now, for example, I would like to have specific thing. I would like to have specific thing. Now, what I will do is I will go for the here and I will copy the data. Copy the same code and try to work. STU list ID. So I'm going to access the parameters, and here the variable name is book. Okay, no problem. Or else I will take a student. Student. I'm going to respond the student. Student not found. For example, 170,535. This is not defined. Oh god, where is that? It is going for books is not defined. Where is that? I think this. Yeah, sorry. Here I have to go for students. So that is why copy and paste is not good. I will go with here and I will yes S170535. If you want Newsweed student details, I can go with N Newsweed. So you will get the campus as Newsweed. If you want RK Valley student or sorry, if you want Ongol student, I can change the ID number. You will get the Ongol campus. Similarly, you can go with here also. What is the port number? So STU list slash S170535. Srikakulam, I need to get the data. We'll get the Srikakulam. If you want the Ongole campus details, we'll go to Go and we'll get Ongole campus. If you want to get all the student details, I can go with the student details. So my APIs are perfectly working. So I will get all the APIs. Similarly, if you want, you can go with the post also. I'll copy. Let me take STO list, and I would like to have a body. So what are the data that I'm getting through body that I can do? So here I can take the student, all the things I'm going to export before going to this. Then whatever the body that I'm getting, that I'm going to push into the array, and student is added into the list. The same example I have taken. Add to the list. Going to restart my server. So actually, is refreshing this server multiple times. We can eliminate by using the NodeMan tool. By using the NodeMan tool. So here, for creating, you have to go for student list, and the data is raw, and the data is JSON format. Let me take this entire thing. Copy, paste here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ID number. Campus is also, let me take 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. Click on send. What happened, guys? Some kind of error you are getting. So pushing the data into the server. Student is added to the list. STU list. Books is not defined. Again the problem. Sorry. Students dot push. Click on send. Student is added to the list. If you want, you can check through get method of student list. You can observe 1, 2, 3, 4 is added. If you want, similarly, you can go for delete operation also. Now this time I won't get the error. I will try to check for first. So here I have student list, which parameter I'm accessing. So this name also I am going to modify as students. So I'm modifying students. Here our callback is like student on the MTech. Student MTech. Here I am taking as a student. Student is leaving. Okay, fine. I'm going to once again restart my server. Postman on delete, click on delete, and I am passing as S170535. Click on send. Student is deleted. If you want, you can visualize through paste method. Send no data, student not found. If you want in all the entire list, click on send. See S1705. So only three numbers are there. Yes, guys. So this is the way you can able to create APIs, and we can able to check those APIs are working fine or not with the help of this Postman tool. Postman interface. Guys, this is the concept of entire REST API. I hope you understood this class clearly. Thank you.